Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Descript for auto-transcription accuracy tuning step by step clearly. To set up Descript for auto-transcription accuracy tuning, start by opening the Descript application on your computer. Create a new project by clicking on the New Project button in the dashboard. Import your audio or video file by dragging it into the project area or clicking the Add New button to select files. Once your file is uploaded, Descript will automatically begin transcribing the audio. Allow the transcription process to complete before proceeding. After the transcription is finished, review the text for any errors or inaccuracies. Select any areas in the transcription that require correction. Type in the correct text or use voice recognition to make adjustments. To enhance the accuracy, utilize Descript's speaker identification feature. Enable this by clicking on the speaker icons next to any detected speakers, then label each one appropriately. If your audio contains background noise or multiple speakers, consider enhancing the audio quality. Use the built-in tools in Descript to edit and clean up the audio track. After making necessary edits, rerun the transcription if significant adjustments were made. This will help improve the accuracy of the transcription further. Check the timestamps to ensure they align correctly with the corresponding sections of the audio. If needed, adjust the timing of specific parts to better match the flow of speech. Once you're satisfied with the transcription and audio quality, finalize the document. Export the polished transcription in your desired format using the export option. Now, you are ready to use your accurately tuned transcript for further editing or sharing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.